Well, we talk about detergents and soap that we use every single day in every single household. No household is complete without having a detergent or a soap that is in our household. And today I have with me somebody who's just won an excellent award for this particular category. Congratulations and welcome to you, sir. How was your feeling receiving the award and what would you love to say?
It was a great experience coming to KTCC and the event organized by Karnataka Business Awards 2022. We feel that it's a great platform for a company like us because we have in a struggling days of us in 2019 when we incorporate our company, we know what we went through and why we do is what we do. So basically, Detergent Manufacturing Unit under the brand name Unbeaten Supreme Ultra has been getting a great exposure for our product and it's and for the company. So I feel KBCC is organizing a great event for a young and the company like us. Thank you so much for everything.
Thank you so much and congratulations once again. First of many awards. Looking forward to see you soon. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was another success story. We'll see you with another fantastic award. Congratulations to you again.